Bosh.
Yeah, I'm already sweating, bro.
Let's get on the road then. Woo! Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. And today, I don't know if you can tell in the mirror or not, but I'm on a ride with a Duke today. I might even get a go on it, who knows? But yeah, I genuinely cannot wait. We're gonna razz it over to Box Hill real quick. Have a bit of fun, you know. And why is this guy going 9 miles an hour? What the hell? Dig away. Dig, dig, dig. Oh my godding, man. What the helling, man? Bro's next to me. Hey, my guy, my guy. Oh my godding, man. Bro's still behind me, we're good, we're good, we're good. Stay in the middle of the road, boy. Just in the black. I just want to rap. Man, he's a good rider considering the last time I rode with him, he was not horror at all. He's doing proper well, I can't lie. I don't know how well he knows his roads, he might not know them at all, but yeah. This marks halfway.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, so do you want to go? Yeah? Oh my god! Jesus Christ! Oh my god, what the hell? This bike is crazy! Oi! Run. Bro's left the indicator on, but you know. I'm gonna try and keep a distance just in case. So I don't have to blur the plate as much. Hey, my guy's moving mad on it though. Whee. Slow down, buddy, slow down. Oh my god, my bro. My guy is actually mad on it. He's pushing it more than I am. And this thing pops as well, man. And it handles like a dream. Oh, this is so smooth. Left the indicator on. Is he gonna stop here? I don't know. Oh man, I love the sound of this bike. Living the life, man. Oh shit! Oh no! Oh no! Shit! Is it alright, mate? Watch out behind you, watch out behind you. What hit the floor?
The brake.
Mate, nothing else is damaged though, no?
Nah.
Mate, I can't lie, you picked that up quick though, I can't lie.
I needed to get out of the way.
Yeah. I'm going right. Damn guys, that was a good ride. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, please sub, like, comment, etc. I appreciate you guys watching. It's been a vibe. Hopefully we ride with him more. His bike was mad too, bro. And this guy just pulled out in front of me. But anyway guys, peace. Thanks for watching.